Welcome to the channel Auto Trend. Today, we're taking a look at the origins of one of the most legendary cars in automotive history, the Nissan Skyline GT-R. While the GT-R name became famous in later decades, its roots go all the way back to 1968, when Nissan introduced a performance-oriented version of the Skyline that would eventually evolve into the Godzilla we know today. The 1968 Nissan Skyline GT-R, known as the PGC-10, was built with racing in mind. It featured a 2.0 liters inline-six engine, producing an impressive 160 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Japanese cars of its time. Designed for the track, it combined lightweight construction with precise handling, quickly dominating motorsports in Japan. This early GT-R paved the way for future generations that would define JDM performance. Visually, the 1968 Skyline GT-R had a classic, understated design, but beneath its clean lines was a machine built for speed. Inside, it was driver-focused, with simple yet functional controls that made it a true enthusiast's car. Nissan's dedication to performance and engineering excellence set the foundation for what would become one of the most respected names in automotive history. The legacy of the Nissan Skyline GT-R started right here in 1968, and it continues to inspire car lovers around the world. From dominating races to becoming a pop culture icon, this car changed the game forever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing car history and trends. What do you think about the original 1968 GT-R? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more legendary rides. See you in the next video.